Hi! So today we're switching gears from learning about the different systems of our body to learning about how to take care of our bodies. These amazing bodies, there's so many parts of our bodies that work together, and we really need to take care of our bodies and feed our bodies really healthy foods so that all those different systems we've been learning about can work and keep functioning to keep us healthy and help us do all the things we want to do. Move, run, play. So today we learned about the food groups. Food can be divided into 5 different groups. We have, let's see if you can remember them. So you just watched a video about them. It was a squeaks video. I know a lot of you love those videos with squeaks. And there's 5 different food groups. So fruits. Okay, let's do the next one. Vegetables, so fruits, vegetables, grains, fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, fruit, vegetables, grain, protein, and dairy. Okay, let's say them again. Fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, dairy. Those are the 5 food groups. Let's see if you can remember what they are. So, fruits. What are fruits? What makes something a fruit? Yeah, a fruit is a part of a plant that has the seeds. Okay, so the fruit. Fruit has the seeds. And then there's vegetable. Vegetables are parts of plants too, right? They can be the roots, they can be the stem, they can be the leaves. There can be all different kinds of the vegetable or the plant that we eat, even the flower like broccoli. Okay, grains. Examples of grains are like bread or cereal or rice. And they're products that are made from what we call grains. And those are kind of like the seeds of a plant. So they grow almost looking like a grass, like wheat would grow. It almost looks like a tall grass. And then the end of it has the flower, and the wheat little seeds are in there. And so things that are made out of those seeds, for like wheat or barley or rice, even corn, things made out of cornmeal or oats, like oatmeal, those are all grains, and things made out of them would be considered to be in the grains food group. The next group is proteins, and that would be like our meat or beans are proteins, like legumes. And there's something, eggs and nuts are all proteins, okay? They give you a protein. They're packed with energy. And then there's dairy. And the dairy group would be things like milk or things made from milk, like milk products. So like cheese or yogurt, butter would be considered in the dairy group. Okay, so we have, let's remember the 5. Fruits, vegetables, grains, not meat. I was going to call it the meat group, but it's not the meat group because there's a lot more than meat in it. Protein group, and dairy. Yeah, so there's those 5 groups. Now today what you're going to do is you have these different foods here, and you have this food group map here, and it says fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy. And so what you are going to do is cut these apart, and you're going to sort them into these different areas. Okay, so you're going to put them in the category where they go. So the first step is to just cut these out. And I know I probably say this every time we cut, but cut around the edge first. This will be the fastest way to cut, is if you cut around the edge first. Cut around, 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 around. And then cut down the middle. And then you're going to just snip these apart, okay? So pause me and go ahead and do your cutting. Okay, so I'm going to show you my paper here so that we can do a couple together. I know you can't see my head very well, but I want you to see my paper. So I'm just going to point this towards my paper for now. So here it is, food groups: fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy. So they all start with a different beginning letter. So if you're confused as to which one it is, make that beginning sound and see if you can figure it out. Now that you have these all cut out, you're going to pick one. Ooh, can you tell what that is? It's a bowl of cereal. Now this one's tricky because the first letter is a C, but sometimes the C makes the S sound cereal. So cereal, this looks like it's made from oats. It looks like maybe an oat type cereal. And cereal would be, do you know which one that goes in? Is it a fruit? No. Is it a vegetable? No. Is it a grain? Maybe. Is it a protein? Meat, nuts, eggs, beans? No. Is it dairy made from milk? No, there's milk that goes in it. But the cereal itself is a grain. Okay, so we'll glue that into the grain section. Let's put a little glue on that. Put it right here in the grains. Okay, and then pick another one. Can you tell what that is? It starts with a Y. Yeah. Yogurt. What category does yogurt go in, do you think? Fruit, vegetable, grain, protein, dairy? Now I know there's different kinds of yogurt, but let's pretend this is a yogurt made with cow milk. Some yogurts are made with different products, but let's pretend this is a cow milk yogurt. It would go in the dairy section, so we can glue that to dairy. Nice. Okay, let's do one more together, and then I'll let you work on this. Okay. It's kind of funny how I feel like I can't see you. I'll just go like that a little bit, and I'll duck down. Here's an orange. Orange. What is that? Ah, you got it. You knew that one. Orange is a fruit, so we'll put that in the fruit category. Okay, so I'm going to let you go ahead and work on the rest of these. So you want to keep doing what we just did until you get all of your foods sorted into the different food groups. Okay, so you're going to sort them and glue as you go. Okay, if you have any trouble with any of the pictures, see if there's a grown-up or someone in your family that can help you. Okay, go ahead and do some sorting. Have fun, everyone.